Hello, it's Michelle, and I'd like to welcome you to this week's edition of Updates. This is our first update of the fall season, and I hope you've had a great weekend and start to fall already. Today is Monday, September the 24th, and I'm going to divide this video into two parts. First, we're going to go through the week, and then I have some exciting announcements to share at the end. We'll start on Monday today. Unfortunately, the weather hasn't been cooperating, so we are going to have to postpone the volleyball tournament. Look for a message from Brandy Lopez later this week with details about when it will be rescheduled. So many apologies, but the weather just wasn't working in our favor. On Tuesday, remember, is the deadline if you are interested in graduating in the fall semester. Tuesday is the deadline to apply. On Wednesday, there are a couple of very exciting events happening, both very important events. First, on the Montgomery campus in Davis Hall, we will have the blood drive going on. So if you'd like to give blood, please stop in. Also on Wednesday, the Silhouette Project will be in Building 2000. If you're not familiar with the Silhouette Project, it's started by Linda LaJoy, who is a Gold Star mom. And the intent of the project is to raise awareness. Did you know that 22 veterans every day commit suicide? This is a startling number, and this project is designed to increase awareness and give us more tools that we can help others. This project will be on display from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., and Linda LaJoy will be speaking about her experience and sharing her information at 11 a.m. So please do stop in. It will be in the lobby of Building 2000. This will also be on the Montgomery campus on Thursday. So this Thursday in Davis Hall in the lobby from 10 to 3. And again, Linda LaJoy will be speaking at 11 a.m. So please turn out for these events. It's going to be a very important message. I'll close the week with an event on Friday. Dr. Simon and Detective Matthews will be on campus, and they will be sharing their insight into the minds of some of the most dangerous sexual predators in American history. This workshop will be between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. There is a fee associated with this workshop, and if you'd like more information, we'll pop the information into the description box below. Moving on to the events. It was a very busy week. Last week, we had our Title IX team travel to Lewisburg for the Title IX workshop held by the School of Osteopathic Medicine. All of our counselors have returned with a National Civil Rights Investigator certification. So very important training, very important training. I also want to give a heads up about the Student Affairs trip to D.C. They're doing another trip to D.C. on October 5th and 6th. The plan is for the bus to leave on Friday, travel overnight, be in D.C. all day on Saturday, and then return overnight. So if you're interested in this trip, please contact James McDougall. A sneak peek I want to mention is that Market C has been developing a new vending service on the Montgomery campus. So this is very close to where the soda machines are. So if you go into Davis and go to the left, it'll be in that space next to the vending machines where they are currently. The project has taken a lot of work, and many thanks to facilities for making it happen. We are almost ready for a grand opening, so stay tuned and we'll give you updates as to when it officially opens. I'd like to close with a very happy announcement. Our own Bonnie Edwards is one of only 36 people nationwide that received all of the credentials from the National Association of Student Financial Aid Administrators. So this is a very big deal, very exciting work that she has completed, and all of this was done at the same time she was working on her master's degree and finishing her master's degree. So many kudos to you, Bonnie. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Please give this video a like, and we'll see you next time.